Well, I'm in a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll look down until we find this safety release. We'll pull this, and that pops the hood so we can reach up front now. If this is just completely loose, double check back here that this cable, if you can see it's attached. If it's not, you might need to address that. But we'll head up front now. And you should see the hood slightly loose now, so we can reach our fingers underneath. Here there's a lever, so we're going to push and lift. So we're going to push and lift. It's got this nice little hydraulic, luckily, to hold it up. This is that lever I was pushing. So here, double check nothing's bent or broken. Nothing stuck in here like debris that needs cleaned up. If this is sticking a lot, maybe also spray some WD-40 to loosen it. That's what that all looks like. And then up here is where it's hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent. Also make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if that's crooked, that could cause issues. But I hope all this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.